Welcome to News Nexus, your trusted source for insight, analysis, and perspective on the stories shaping our world. Today, we explore one of the most transformative forces of our time, artificial intelligence, and how it's redefining the very fabric of the American workforce. For more than a century, machines have replaced muscle, but today, machines are beginning to replace minds. And that shift changes everything. The jobs we do, the skills we need, and even how we define human work itself. In this episode, we'll take a close look at how AI is changing the American job landscape. Which industries are most at risk, what new opportunities are emerging, and how workers, businesses, and policymakers are adapting to this powerful wave of automation and intelligence. Let's begin with the rise of the intelligent machine age. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic idea. It's here, woven into everyday life. From customer support chatbots to self-driving cars. From predictive healthcare algorithms to automated factory floors. AI is already influencing how millions of Americans work. In 2020, companies like IBM, Amazon, and Microsoft invested billions into AI-driven automation. Goldman Sachs estimated that nearly 300 million jobs worldwide could be impacted by this shift. And for the United States, that translates to tens of millions of roles being transformed or replaced. But before we assume a future without work, let's take a step back. Every major technological revolution, from the steam engine to the computer, first caused anxiety, then adaptation, and finally, growth. AI is different only in speed and scope. It doesn't just perform physical tasks. It thinks, it learns, it adapts. It can read, write, analyze, and predict. And that means it's reaching into professions that once seemed untouchable. The AI revolution isn't about job loss alone. It's about job evolution. Just like the Industrial Revolution didn't eliminate work, it changed it. The AI era is about reimagining what it means to be productive, creative, and valuable in a digital economy. So, which jobs are most at risk? Let's explore. The first is administrative and clerical work. Roles like data entry, scheduling, customer service, and payroll management are being rapidly automated. AI can handle repetitive paperwork, manage appointments, and respond to queries instantly, saving companies millions while reducing the need for human staff. Next comes transportation and logistics. Self-driving trucks, predictive routing systems, and automated warehouses are already changing how goods move across the country. Long-haul trucking, one of America's largest blue-collar professions, could see large-scale automation within the next decade. Retail and food service are also transforming. Automated checkouts, AI-driven inventory management, and digital ordering systems are now standard. Even in restaurants, robots are flipping burgers, brewing coffee, and serving customers with precision and consistency. Another area seeing disruption is media and creative industries. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway can now write scripts, design graphics, compose music, and even generate video content. This opens creative possibilities, but also forces journalists, designers, and creators to rethink how they compete with machines that can produce endless material in seconds. And then, finance and law. AI can analyze contracts, detect fraud, and forecast market trends far faster than human analysts. Legal assistants and financial experts are increasingly working alongside, or being replaced by, intelligent systems that never sleep, never tire, and rarely make mistakes. Across all these sectors, one trend is clear. AI doesn't just replace low-skill labor. It's reshaping high-skill professions too. But disruption always brings opportunity. The rise of AI has created a surge in demand for new roles. AI engineers, machine learning specialists, ethics officers, data trainers, algorithm auditors. These jobs focus on building, managing, and monitoring intelligent systems that power our economy. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose faster, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatments. That means new jobs for AI interpreters, data health analysts, and digital care coordinators. Education is also evolving. AI tutors and personalized learning platforms are transforming classrooms, but they still need human educators to design lessons and ensure technology enhances, not replaces, real learning. Even creative industries are finding new balance. Writers, filmmakers, and artists who master AI tools are discovering ways to do more, faster, cheaper, and with greater imagination. AI isn't the enemy of work. It's the next tool of progress, and those who learn to use it effectively will lead the digital future. But to get there, America faces a massive challenge: reskilling. According to McKinsey, up to 1/3 of U.S. workers may need to learn new skills or change careers entirely by 2030. That's tens of millions of people, and they'll need new training, new support, and new mindsets. Companies and governments are stepping up. Google's Grow with Google initiative, IBM's Skills Build, and state-level partnerships are helping Americans prepare for a world shaped by automation. But the most important factor isn't technology, it's attitude. In the AI era, learning never stops. The future belongs to those who adapt, to those who stay curious, and to those who see AI not as a threat, but as a partner. As the saying goes, you won't lose your job to AI, you'll lose it to someone who knows how to use AI. So what can humans still do better? Despite its brilliance, AI lacks empathy, creativity, and moral reasoning. It doesn't understand nuance. It doesn't feel compassion. That's where human strength lies. Jobs that rely on emotional intelligence, teaching, counseling, leadership, negotiation, storytelling, remain deeply human. As AI takes over repetitive work, people will shift towards strategy, creativity, and care. The best professionals of tomorrow won't compete with AI, they'll collaborate with it. Imagine a journalist using AI to uncover insights, a doctor using AI to analyze scans, a lawyer preparing arguments with AI assistants. AI will amplify human capability, not erase it. Think of it as the ultimate partner, one that handles the routine, while humans focus on what truly matters. AI is also changing how we structure work itself. The traditional 9-to-5 model is giving way to the gig economy. Flexible, digital, and global. AI platforms now match freelancers to clients, predict outcomes, and even handle contracts automatically. This gives workers more independence, but less security. The safety nets of the industrial age, healthcare, pensions, unions, weren't built for this kind of fluid work. So the next great challenge will be balancing freedom with fairness. Independence with protection. And beyond economics lies a deeper question. What happens to society when machines do most of the work? If AI handles 70% of current tasks, who benefits from the productivity gains? Will the rewards go only to corporations, or will workers share in the prosperity? And what about fairness? AI systems are only as unbiased as the data we feed them. If our history contains prejudice, our algorithms will reflect it. That means ensuring transparency and accountability in AI isn't optional, it's essential. As one ethicist said, the biggest danger with AI isn't that it becomes too smart, it's that we use it too blindly. The U.S. government is starting to act. The White House has introduced an AI Bill of Rights, aiming to protect citizens from harmful or discriminatory systems. The Department of Labor is researching how automation impacts employment, wages, and safety. Some economists propose radical ideas: universal basic income to support displaced workers, AI taxes for companies replacing human labor, and even shorter work weeks to share productivity more equally. Meanwhile, some forward-thinking corporations are investing in reskilling programs, ethical AI standards, and shared profit models. Because the future of work will depend not only on innovation, but on inclusion. Across the country, real stories are already unfolding. In Detroit, auto factories are using AI robotics that reduce injuries while retraining workers to become robot technicians. In California, small businesses are using AI tools to automate marketing and customer support, giving entrepreneurs new freedom to grow. In Texas, teachers are using adaptive learning software to personalize lessons for each student. And in New York, media creators are using generative AI to produce interactive documentaries and immersive storytelling. These stories reveal a simple truth. AI isn't just replacing workers. It's redefining what it means to work. So what does the future look like? By 2035, experts predict AI will eliminate some jobs, but create millions more. We'll see roles like AI workflow designer, digital ethics manager, algorithm compliance officer, and synthetic data specialist. Workplaces will be hybrid, decentralized, and data-driven. Remote collaboration will be normal. AI will handle scheduling, research, and data, while humans handle imagination, leadership, and judgment. The future of work isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. But to get there, we must prepare, not panic. Individuals must commit to learning. Companies must use AI responsibly, and governments must modernize safety nets for a new kind of worker. Education must also evolve, teaching creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence alongside technology. The next generation must learn to work with machines, confidently, wisely, and ethically. We are entering a time when understanding algorithms will be as important as understanding people. As we stand at this turning point, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence will reshape the American workforce, but it doesn't have to destroy it. If managed with wisdom and fairness, AI can make work smarter, safer, and more creative than ever before. This isn't the end of human labor. It's the beginning of a new partnership, one where machines handle repetition, and humans focus on innovation, empathy, and vision. The question isn't whether AI will change our world. It already has. The real question is, how will we respond? Will we let automation define us, or will we define the intelligent future ourselves? Thank you for watching News Nexus. If you found this deep dive insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories exploring the global shifts shaping tomorrow's world. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead.